Hello, welcome to the OneCap app video series. Today we're going to talk about OneNet. Have you ever needed to provide captions to a room full of people where an internet connection was not available? Well, OneCap app solved that problem with OneNet. OneNet will allow you to create an ad hoc wireless network available to any computer with a Wi-Fi adapter within 60 feet. The captioner's computer should create the ad hoc network, then connect with OneConnect and push the captions to the view page like they normally would. Your viewers will connect to the ad hoc network just like connecting to any other Wi-Fi connection. Once connected, they will have access to the view page displaying the captions and the streaming text. Now let's get into the details. You download the OneNet software. It's a free download onto your computer. Your viewers will not need this. Only the captioners need to be able to create the ad hoc wireless Wi-Fi connection. And this is how you do it. There are three sections here: the session settings, the hotspot that gets created, and then the information about that hotspot. So let's just create a hotspot with the user ID and pass of test and a name of test. I'm going to create it. Okay, so now we have a Wi-Fi connection available to anybody within 60 feet called OneNet Hotspot. And the password to get into that Wi-Fi connection, because it is secured, would be OneNet password, and it would be case sensitive. This DOS window is a log window that you don't need to have up on your screen. But let's start up OneConnect. Notice I use the same username I have over here on OneNet in my OneConnect test, the same password test, and when I created my server, a little IP address showed up down here, and that's what you put in this server. And say connect. And so I am now connected to the OneNet hotspot with OneConnect. Okay, now let's connect to the view page. This is the URL that's displayed right here. And if I click that, the view page would show up. Notice the session name is test. Now I'm going to write some text to it. I'm connected to OneConnect. I'm not a captioner, so I'm going to have a batch file that writes text to COM port 9. And so now I'm pushing this text through my COM port 9, which is what I'm listening on COM port 9, to my Wi-Fi connection that I made with OneConnect to the IP address 192.168.173.1:8989, and that was set up when I connected OneConnect. So I'm pushing text there over that Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, one other thing. When your viewers are wanting to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, they come down here to the bottom to their internet connections icon, left click on it, and they'll see a OneNet hotspot here. This is the default SSID, or the default Wi-Fi connection ID. And if they don't change it, that's what they're going to see. And so they just click on this and connect. And they will be able to see the view page. So when they want to go to the view page, I'd recommend that they put a favorite out there. They can either copy and paste it here. This 192.168.173.1:1234/test. Test is the session name. So the view page comes up that way. Again, what they do, they come down here, click on this OneNet hotspot, just like they connect to any other Wi-Fi internet connection, and connect it. Notice, though, that it says no internet access. So this is just a local ad hoc Wi-Fi connection that's only available within a limited number of feet, around 60 feet. Good enough for on-site captioning. So that's OneNet. Got any questions? Just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks. Bye.